Hi, welcome to Eats Chowtime. I have created this channel to show you how I make daily home-cooked meals. Today, May 1st, and we are celebrating Labor Day in the Philippines. And it is a declared holiday, so I have time to make my favorite beef mechado or beef stew. It may sound complicated, but you will only need few ingredients and some patience. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. I used my good old crock pot for this dish since we will be cooking the beef mechado for 2 hours low and slow. Hence, the patience earlier. Now, let's brown first the sides of the potatoes on a medium-low heat with 5 tablespoons of canola oil, then set aside. Bring your crock pot back into the stove, lowest heat setting, and add 1 stick of butter, then saute the garlic and onion. Now, add the beef and saute for 5 minutes. I was not able to show you earlier, but we will also be needing 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add a cup of water, then mix. Don't forget to add and dissolve the beef nor cube, then cover and simmer the meat for 1.5 hours. Check and stir from time to time. Make sure nothing sticks at the bottom of the pan. After 1.5 hours, pour the tomato sauce, mix and simmer for another 10 minutes. Oh, I wish you could smell it too. Add the potatoes back into the pan and cook for another 15 minutes. Then add the bell peppers. Now, this is optional, but I really like spicy food, so I added cayenne pepper. And it is done. Here's my version of Filipino Beef Mechado or beef stew. As always, best served with white rice. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my version of beef mechado. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and do not forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at _eachchowtime_ and on my Twitter account at eachchowtime. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!